I've no microphone, but we can hear it well enough. These are the beautiful roosters. So this is Fiona with her rooster. And I think actually, Fiona, it is good to have the image. So in response to this, in response to this photograph, all of these lovely people have come up with their own. No, this is a butterfly. In response to the rooster, which is gorgeous. And really, really lovely collage used there, and a stick for the body. So it's really incredible. And then Rihanna has this characterful. He's all there, that rooster. He's fully occupying the space he's in, isn't he?
Not all there. All there.
No, but all there, yeah, and letting us know about it. Like, yeah, look at that face. He means business. And then Daisy, has this luminous. We don't know what it's called, but the top of the chicken rooster, whatever it is, and the beautiful blue oil pastel is amazing beside it. Running alongside. The texture is incredible. You've got a real feel for the feathers there. And then Cecile has done two. Look at that. Comes with sound effects and everything. And he's got a red feather in his head and sticks for the body. That's just inspired. And then this beautiful soft oil pastel blue drawing. Cecile has her lovely necklace. And then Ailey. And Ailey's got I was thinking it just seems really expressive, the size of it, and that he's really filling the page. He's got such a lovely, lively quality, like he's walking past. Great job. And then this is from a beautiful card, and the card says, "My outer experiences are a reflection of my internal condition." And this is, I don't know if you wanted that spoken or not. This is Amanda with her gorgeous response to that beautiful card. And maybe the rooster is kind of subliminally in there somewhere as well. But it all makes sense. So, well done, everybody. Woo-hoo.
Thank you.
Good job.
Yeah.
Yeah, great job.